What's up guys, this is JeeYuGi. Today we're gonna unbox Dragonite DRACO-EQUISTE. Alright, see there's the Konami seal, you see it? So yeah, this is a legit. Okay, so we're gonna unbox it. Oops. Okay, there it is. Okay, what we got here? What's new in 2010? Alright, we got the Dragonite-EQUISTE. Let's check it out. So the secret wear Dragonite DRACO-EQUISTE, Archfeed of Gilfer, the Wicked Dreadroot, Armed Dragon, Dark Armed Dragon, and Dragonic at Night. Let's open the Shining Darkness. Alright, Fairy Archer. Oh, sorry, Ron and Tonin. Blackwing Bomb Verdant, Wormcall, Genix Searcher, Infinity Randomizer, Spore, Leeching the Light, Second Booster. Alright, let's open the next one. Versus Koaki's Miro Initia's Lies, Morphitronic Vacuumin, Blossom Bombardment, Fairy Archer, Pyramid Wanders, New Miro Sandman, Changer Synchron, Assault Spirits, and Bio Falcon. Next is the Absolute Power Force. Let's do this. First is the Forgotten Temple of the Deep, Gravekeeper's Steel, Nature's Reflection. Variety comes out, offering to Immortals, Power Invaders, Rocket Fighter, Alien Brain, and Spider's Lair. Next is the Absolute Power Force, another one. Yeah. Alright, Advanced Force, Machine King 3000 BC, Weeping Idol, the Dragon Dwelling in the Deep, Digin Cruciator of Ritual, Kadarius, Rose Fairy, Bicolor, Serpent Suppression. Last deck, Stardust Overdrive. Or last booster. Sorry, you guys can't really see when I open it, but first is Spider. Molting Escape, Ground Spider, Yellow Baboon Archer Forest, Raging Mad Plants, Spiritual Forest, Attack Pheromones, Swap Frog, and Reptile Gordon. I guess that's all. Alright, if you guys want any of these cards, just message me and yeah, we'll work something out. Thanks. Bye.